Welcome to the comprehensive guide to Revolut Plus account, a premium service designed to help you manage your finances effectively. This tutorial will walk you through the key features, benefits, and best practices of using a Revolut Plus account. First, let's start with the basics. Revolut Plus is an upgraded version of the standard Revolut account, offering additional features and perks for a small monthly fee. With Revolut Plus, you can enjoy unlimited exchange in over 120 currencies, real-time spending updates, and a higher ATM withdrawal limit. To get started with Revolut Plus, simply download the Revolut app and sign up for an account. If you already have a standard Revolut account, you can easily upgrade to Plus within the app. The upgrade process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. One of the key benefits of Revolut Plus is the lack of foreign transaction fees. When you use your Revolut Plus card abroad, you won't be charged any extra fees, making it an ideal choice for travelers. Additionally, you can enjoy a higher level of purchase protection, with coverage up to $1,000. Another significant advantage of Revolut Plus is the real-time spending updates. You can track your expenses as they happen, making it easier to stay on top of your finances. The app also offers budgeting tools and spending categorization, helping you make sense of your financial data. In terms of security, Revolut Plus offers an additional layer of protection with its disposable virtual cards. These cards can be used for online transactions, and you can easily freeze or unfreeze them if you suspect any suspicious activity. To make the most of your Revolut Plus account, it's essential to understand the fees associated with the service. The monthly fee for Revolut Plus is relatively low, and you can easily cancel your subscription at any time. It's also important to note that some features, such as the higher ATM withdrawal limit, may incur additional fees. In conclusion, Revolut Plus is a powerful tool for managing your finances, offering a range of features and benefits that can help you save money and stay on top of your expenses. By following the best practices outlined in this guide, you can get the most out of your Revolut Plus account and take control of your financial future.